Today we'll look at some Firefox add-ons that I recommend. So the first one is called Firefox MultiAccount Containers, which allows you to have different sort of tab groups that tabs can be under, where it allows cookies to be shared within the group, but not between the whole browser. And so it adds additional security. So it's really useful if you want to have a whole bunch of different accounts, but you don't want to have a whole bunch of different browsers, because managing and flipping between accounts is not always convenient. Then the next one is another browser tabs is TempSession Manager. This allows you to have sessions of tabs where you could hold on to, and in case your browser crashes and you're unable to recover, this should allow for a backup. Say you're doing research for a project and you don't want to just keep all the tabs open, so instead you could save them all onto a session and then kill all of them and then start something new and then open them up again. Then the next one is tree-style tabs, which gives you a sidebar. The tree-style tabs allows you to figure out the hierarchy of your tabs rather than having them just all be in a big long row. So you see, it'll have all the different tabs, whatever. We'll just close that. Then this is more the privacy section, but EBlockOrigin is the recommended ad block for Firefox. Like, there's nothing better than it, and you can use it to block ads. Another one for privacy is clear URLs. You know how whenever you go shopping or whatever, and you click on the URL for a product, and it's some massive URL, this will clear and shorten them, so you're sharing a much shorter link, as well as it'll reduce your tracking. Then here's some nice ones for YouTube. Is you're trying YouTube dislike. This allows you to see how many dislikes are on a video using rough math, as well as if you're a user of remove YouTube dislikes, you can see how many dislikes there are. And the creator is looking to allow it to integrate with the YouTube Creator Studio, so you can see the public dislikes. And this is another one, is YouTube Resizer by Addons, which makes the YouTube thumbnails on the homepage much smaller because and fit more videos in. It's not something too crazy, but it is very nice. Then the last one is called Tridactyl, which allows you to navigate Firefox with Vim. And if you've watched this channel as well as watched other channels, you know that Vim key bindings is out there. So I'm gonna add that. A lot more permissions and all sorts of stuff. So that was a few Firefox add-ons I recommend. See y'all next time. Have a nice day. Minux out.